Over the past few months, our office has been getting flooded with people that have been involved in either an Uber or a Lyft accident case. And so the purpose of this video is to go through the scenarios that most people commonly encounter after being involved in either an Uber or a Lyft accident. So the first scenario, and the most common scenario, is if you're a passenger in an Uber or a Lyft. And then again, there are two subsections to that. One would be someone else caused the accident to the Uber or Lyft that you were driving in. The second would be the Uber or Lyft driver caused the accident. I'll go through each of those circumstances. So the first one, again, you're a passenger in an Uber or a Lyft. Someone else causes the accident. So first, you are not afforded PIP or no-fault benefits to pay your medical bills through Uber or Lyft. So you'll have to look against, if you do own your own motor vehicle, against your own car insurance to see if your own car insurance to pay those bills. And if you do not, then you'll go through your, if you live with somebody that has a motor vehicle, you'll go through that resident relative's insurance company to get those medical bills paid. But if you have some type of permanent injury, then your mechanism of recovery is against that at-fault driver's bodily injury insurance. Now, if they don't carry enough bodily injury insurance, or they don't have it at all, don't fear. You are protected through Uber or Lyft because they carry $1 million in uninsured motorist coverage that you will qualify for. So there's plenty of insurance out there if you are injured in an accident. The second scenario is you're a passenger and your Uber or Lyft driver caused the accident. Again, you do not qualify for PIP benefits through the Uber or Lyft. Again, you'll have to look toward your own motor vehicle insurance company or a resident relative's to get that first $10,000 worth of medical bills covered. But again, never fear, because Uber has $1 million worth of coverage as long as you were engaged with the app on their application. You are covered up to $1 million. So there's plenty of insurance money out there. The next scenario is if you were driving in a car and an Uber or Lyft hits you, what do? And they're at fault. So you've got, in your own vehicle, you've got up to $10,000 worth of PIP or no-fault benefits. You can bill those medical bills through your own insurance company. And again, like the previous scenario, never fear. There's $1 million worth of insurance that Uber and Lyft carry on their motor vehicles. So there's normally plenty of money out there to cover any of those damages. Last scenario, you are an Uber or Lyft driver and you're injured in an accident. Well, again, if you cause the accident yourself by negligent driving or careless driving, you are covered through your PIP benefits to at least get those $10,000 worth of medical bills. But because you were at fault, you don't have a further claim. But if you were a driver and someone else causes the accident, then again, you look first toward that driver's bodily injury coverage. If they don't have any or don't have enough coverage to pay for your injuries, as I said before, never fear, because you are covered through Uber or Lyft up to $1 million. So there's plenty of insurance coverage out there. Now, one final word, and something that I've experienced through Lyft recently on a case which sort of has put this topic front of mind. After you are involved in an accident, my advice is screenshot the history of the actual ride off of your phone. Because we have had a situation here recently where Lyft deleted the history of the ride off of the person's phone, and we no longer have access to it. And it happened within a few hours of the accident. So again, if you were involved in an Uber or Lyft accident, screenshot the history of the ride. Don't rely on that app saving the history of the ride. Screenshot it so you have a record of it and bring that over to your lawyer. So hopefully that answers some questions, provides some type of clarity on different types of Uber and Lyft accidents. I hope you're not in one, But if you are, please contact our office. We always have free consultations, and we know a lot about Uber and Lyfts.